Hello, I am Martin Grace. I am going to present topic on social impact assessment. Uh, it is a social impact assessment and is SIA is a systematic process used to identify the analyze the manage and intended and unintended social consequences, both positive and negative, of policies, plans, and development projects. It evaluates impacts on communities, including their way of life, culture, community, and cohesion and health. Here, social impact assessment have different components like hazard assessment, risk assessment, cultural impact, environmental impact assessment, and project program, policy evaluations, and economic assessment. Social impact assessment has carry different component like uh, risk assessment and policy risk assessment and social impact assessment to be done in the environment to prevent the effects carried out in the society to be reduced by using the three-way process and also the social impact assessment by using the degradation process. Social impact assessment defined a kind of policy research frequently done by the social scientists entailing the collection of social cultural data about the community for use by planning of development projects. The study of the potential effect on natural physical phenomena, activities of government and business, or any successful of the events and a specific group of people carried out by abstract 1979. Concept of social impact assessment. The concept of social impact assessment was introduced in 1969 under the U.S. National Environmental Policy (NEPA) and is required to analyze the effort of legislation by the Indian environment. The field of social impact assessment emerged during the 1970 primarily as a response to new environmental legislation. Slowly, the range of SIA methods process developed from the technical to political approaches, short-term to long-term studies, from the formal to the informal studies. The World Bank imported SIA in their project evaluation procedure in the 1986. Social impact process. Social impact process has gained the different components like consider the project program context and begin the stakeholder analysis, involve the stakeholder and identify the social factors and analyze the data, assess the priorities, developing the plans in the consultants with the stakeholders, ensure the capacity, adjust the apply with the stakeholder involvement. And the project should be considered to done the effective manner without affecting the society. Social impact assessment had carries different series of concept is available like review of secondary data, deriving the impact indicators, creation of assessment tools, piloting finalizing the survey tools, stakeholder consultations, data analyzing and reporting, and recommendation and way forward. And people's well-being, there are different people's well-being are available. First one is environment, second one is land, third one is people, third one is fourth one is community, fifth one is culture, sixth one is livelihood, and sixth one is infrastructure, and last one is housing. It shouldn't be affect the above components to live the people should be without any effects of the impact assessment. Social impact assessment have different stages are there. Step one is I will have the cultural involvement. Step two is social responsibilities. Step three is food skills assessment. Step four is screening. Step five is scoping. Step six is people's involvement. Step seven is process and monitoring and assessing. And step seven is implementing. Step eight is implementing. means process of SIA, social screening, and consultation meeting with the stakeholders, cadastral survey. Stakeholders plays major role in the social impact assessment. Stakeholders is nothing but people who are affected by the pollution like air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Soil pollution by the effect of agriculture like plants and fruits and vegetables and grains what we are taking day by day with the help of agriculture. And social screening is nothing but people are crossing day by day with the help of different social effectiveness like temple function and like transportation and like the different movement from the one place to another place without affecting any social interaction between the people, and gaining the knowledge without affecting the environment in a proper way. Family level impacts on environmental impact assessment. Individual and family level impacts in environmental impact assessment analyze the how projects affect alter daily life, livelihoods, health, and social fabric. This includes the displacement, economic strain, and altered property values and the disruption to community cohesion. Mitigation focus on minimizing direct threats to family well-being, such as relocation stress and loss of income. Key individuals and family level impacts: economic disruption, changes in employment, loss and land or income, and fluctuations in local property values, health and safety, increase the risk from the noise, pollutions, and traffic, as well as the mental health stresses related to the uncertainty. Social fabric community disruption of social networks, alterations and lifestyles, and challenges to community cohesion. Like as people are affecting day by day. Assessment and mitigation focus: basement data collections, reversible versus irreversible mitigation strategy. These impacts are a part of broader social impact assessment framework designed to assess how communities interact with their surroundings. Likewise, we have to plan accordingly without affecting the socially with involvement in the people and around the people, and it should not be carried out socially. And the main process in the social impact assessment is it should not be affected socially like tradition, religion, and languages, etc.